Hi and welcome to Webtex Limited News with me, Janine Marie. And today we are discussing, is Facebook copying Clubhouse, Caterpillar cake copyright court cases, and how to use hashtags to market your business. Facebook is due to launch its own version of Clubhouse. Clubhouse is an audio-only social media app where you can join live audio rooms and can listen to or participate in live conversations. The catch: Clubhouse is an invite-only app, so you have to know someone to get in. Over the next few months, Facebook plans on rolling out their own audio-only section on their app. They will also be launching a new feature called Soundbites, where users can create and share short audio clips. Facebook will also allow its users to listen to podcasts directly from the app. For those of you that are camera shy, do you like the sound of an audio-only app as a way to promote and talk about important topics within your industry? I'd love to know your thoughts on that in the comments section. If you haven't been on your phone or anywhere near the news in the past week, then you may have missed the recent Caterpillar wars between Marks & Spencer's and Aldi. Marks & Spencer's lodged an intellectual property claim with the High Court this week against Aldi. M&S has claimed that Aldi's Cuthbert the Caterpillar cake has been riding the coattails of the M&S Colin the Caterpillar cake, which has been a popular product of Marks & Spencer's for the past 30 years. In response to the fallout, Aldi UK took to Twitter to entertain the nation with tweets such as "Marks and snitches, more like #3Cuthbert." A packaging update with #3Cuthbert, with Cuthbert looking pretty much like he is imprisoned. They also tweeted, "This is not just any court case, this is a #3Cuthbert," playing at Marks & Spencer's very popular adverts. But lots of Twitter users were quick to point out that Aldi is not the only supermarket brand with a Caterpillar cake. A number of other superstores also have their own version, such as Clyde the Caterpillar from Asda, Curly the Caterpillar from Tesco, and Cecile the Caterpillar from Waitrose, just to name a few. After spending a few days humouring the nation, Aldi called for amnesty and asked M&S to call a truce in order to raise money for charity. They asked, "Hey Marks & Spencer's, can Colin and Cuthbert be besties? We're bringing back a limited edition Cuthbert and want to donate profits to cancer charities, including your partner's Macmillan Cancer and ours, Teenage Cancer. Let's raise money for charity, not lawyers. #Caterpillars for Cancer." They also reached out via Twitter to other superstores, asking them to get involved in the charity drive. Morning, Tesco, Sainsbury's, Asda and Morrison's, Waitrose and Co-op. Cuthbert needs the help of Curly, Clyde, Cecile, Charlie, Morris and Wiggles. Caterpillars clubbing together to raise money for charities, not lawyers. #Caterpillars for Cancer. Are you up for it? And I, for one, think this is a great cause, and I do hope all of the other supermarkets get involved. Did Marks & Spencer's tweet back? Well, of course they did. In reply to Aldi's, they tweeted, "Hey Aldi, we love a charity idea. Colin's been a big fundraiser for years. We just want you to use your own character. How about Kevin the Carrot Cake? That idea is on us and we promise we won't do Keith." This has caused a lot of commotion on social media for the past few days, and I would love to know your thoughts on this in the comment section below. The hashtags 3Cuthbert, Caterpillars for Cancer and Kevin the Carrot Cake were very popular hashtags on social media for the past few days, and good visibility for those who got involved in the conversation. Do you use hashtags to market your company and promote your business and grow your social media? Are you using relevant hashtags? Are you using hashtags that are currently trendy? Are you creating your own hashtags? Are you not sure how to use a hashtag? Then why not email us for your 3 copy of the Digital Discourse magazine? We have articles in there that will provide you with tips on how to use and understand hashtags, amongst other marketing tips. Or just want general help marketing your business? Then why not email us at hello@webtex.ltd or call the number on the screen. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click that notification bell so you can be notified when we have posted, and don't forget to leave me your thoughts on today's topics in the comments section below. That will be all from me this week. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!